Assalamualaikum Clericals. Today we will learn the parts of computer. But first, don't forget to subscribe to Clerical by Ayesha. Let's start. Monitor. This is a monitor. It shows what we do, like games, pictures, and videos too. Keyboard. This is a keyboard. Tap tap tap. Type letters and numbers just like that. Mouse. This is a mouse, small and cheap. Click and move. That's a treat. CPU. This is the CPU, brain inside. It helps the computer work with pride. Speakers. These are speakers, loud and clear. They play sounds we love to hear. USB. This is a USB, small and bright. It saves all work day and night. Printer. This is a printer, watch it go. It prints all work row by row. Let's say it again, my clerical friends. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, speakers, printer, USB. Great job, clever cubs! Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Clever Cub by Ayesha. Bye bye!